Welcome back. Let's learn how to purchase some sweet, juicy altcoins and then move those into our wallet for safekeeping. By the end of this video, you will not only know 2 different ways to purchase altcoins on Binance, you will also know how to transfer them from Binance into your wallet. For this, we will need your Binance account logged into on your browser, your cell phone with reception, and your Atomic wallet logged into on your desktop. Okay, so welcome to your Binance dashboard. This is the page you'll be greeted with when you first log into Binance. Now there's a lot to look at here and there's a lot of functionality in this, so we're just going to break this down and keep it super simple for this tutorial. So in order to access our wallet, in order to trade for altcoins on Binance, we're going to want to go up to the wallet button right up here, go down to the fiat and spot function and click on that. Once it loads, you will see this page come up where you will see all the different coins that you are able to hold within Binance. Now we'll see that I have a little bit of Bitcoin in my wallet for demonstration purposes for this video. So I'm just going to walk you through a little bit of the functionality of Binance so that you better understand what the different terms mean on the right hand side here. So for Bitcoin, for example, I have $19.98 of it in American dollars. Now, if I wanted to buy more Bitcoin with my Visa or credit card, I would click on buy. We don't recommend doing this because you will pay a lot in fees if you purchase crypto with a Visa or credit card or even a debit card. So avoid this if possible.
Hey everybody, just wanted to mention that there are a number of ways that you can actually fund your account using Binance that don't involve your debit or your credit card. Now we haven't included this in the tutorial because they are a bit more complex and this tutorial is for beginners, but you can go and check that out in your own time if you wish to. Okay, back to the video.
This button is the deposit button. So we use this to transfer coins from another account into this account, which is we just did with ShakePay into here. Next, we have the withdraw feature. With withdraw, this withdraws coins from Binance into another account. So this is how we would send Bitcoin from Binance to our Atomic wallet, which we will go over later on in this video. Next, we have the trade feature. Trading is how we trade this coin for another on Binance. Now, this is the standard way of doing it, which we will go over shortly. The other way of doing this is with the convert feature right here, and this is the easy way to trade for coins on Binance. Other than that, we have earn here, which allows you to earn a little bit of passive income with Binance on their centralized exchanges. We don't do this personally, however, you can look into this for yourself if this interests you. So for the first demonstration of this video, let's go through the convert feature for the beginner's way. So to do this, I'm going to click on the convert button right here. This brings me in to this screen where we will see pretty simple, it's pretty just boiled down for beginners here. So if we want to trade some Bitcoin, which is what we currently have in our account, for another coin, we just need to select this right here. Select Bitcoin up top, and we're going to convert it into Ethereum. Now, what's neat about this convert feature is that it's really easy for newcomers to just trade for coins via the convert on Binance. However, it does have some drawbacks. Number one, you can't choose your price that you're going to purchase it for. So this is just the going market price right now, which might be okay for you. But if you actually want to get the best deals and get more into trading, this might not be for you. The other drawback to this is that the convert feature doesn't have all the coins available on Binance. it has a very limited amount of some of the most popular coins, which is great if you want to turn Bitcoin into Ethereum, but what if there's some more obscure coin that you're trying to get your hands on? You might not be able to do it through this convert feature, so keep that in mind for the future. So let's use the convert feature to convert some Bitcoin into Ethereum. So for this, we're going to type in the amount that we want to convert, and we're going to turn it into Ethereum. So to do that, we click Preview Conversion. And then we quickly want to click Convert because we only have 5 seconds to do so. This is because the markets are quickly shifting. So Ethereum's price is constantly going up and down. Same thing with Bitcoin. Click on that button within 5 seconds to make sure your trade goes through at the price at which they said it would go through on the convert window. So once that's done, you'll see successful. Awesome. Let's go back to our wallet. And to do that, we go up to the wallet button right here and go to Fiat and Spot. Once that loads, now you can see we have purchased some Ethereum. So we now have $11 of Ethereum in our account. That's awesome. Congratulations. So that's the easy way. Now let's go over the standard way. So to do the standard way of trading on Binance, we're going to need to use the trade function. And to do this, first we're going to need to find the coin that we're trading into. So for this example, I'm just going to use Ethereum once again. So I click on the trade button right here, and I select the pairing. Let me get my face out of the way. I select the pairing that I want to use. So all these are different coins that you can use to trade for Ethereum. You can see there's quite a number of them. So for us, in our example, we want to find the ETH BTC pairing because we're going to use Bitcoin to turn into Ethereum. So I click on this now, and it's going to bring me to a new window. Check this out. All right, welcome to the trading window. This is where all the trading happens within Binance. We know it can be a lot to look at for a beginner, so let's break it down and make it really easy for you so you better understand what's actually going on here. On the left-hand side, we have the order book. So these are all the people selling their Ethereum, and these are all the people buying Ethereum using Bitcoin. So these are the buy orders, these are the sell orders. Here we have the chart, so we can actually track and see how Ethereum is doing paired against Bitcoin. Over here we have a number of different trading pairs, so you can actually use this window to select the trading pair you want to do. And then just down below that, we can see the different trades that are currently active. Let me get my face out of the way. We can see the current trades happening right now between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, if we want to buy some Ethereum with our Bitcoin on this page, how do we do it? Well, we can see down here below this chart, we have a buy button and a sell button. For this, we're going to want to buy, right? So we want to use our Bitcoin, which we have right here, and we're going to want to turn it into Ethereum, which is right here. So first we want to select how much Bitcoin we want to use to turn into Ethereum, like how much of the Bitcoin in our wallet, I should say. So right now we have this slider bar and it's set to 0%. So let's slide this up to 100%. So we're going to use 100% of the Bitcoin in our wallet to purchase Ethereum. Here we have the price at which we are purchasing it at, and this is how much Ethereum it's actually going to buy. So right now we have our price set for 0.035036. Now if we want to compare this to the prices currently happening on Binance, just take a look on the left-hand side here. We can see that the lowest sell price right now, it's constantly changing, but it's somewhere in the 0.03505 range. So we can see it's gone up a little bit. So let's mark this up just a bit so we can get a better deal on it. And we click Buy Ethereum. We can see our limit order has been created, and we can even see our little order right there with the yellow dot next to it. So now we can see our limit order has actually gone through. That's awesome. So how do we get back to our wallet page? To do that, we scroll up, go to Wallet, go down to Fiat and Spot, and click on it. Once that loads, now you can see we have successfully turned pretty well all of our Bitcoin into Ethereum, because now we have $18.97 worth of Ethereum. That's awesome! You've now done your official first trade for an altcoin on Binance. Congratulations! Let's move on to how we take this Ethereum out of Binance and safely store it in our Atomic wallet. Okay, so now we have our Ethereum right here, and we want to take it out of here and put it into Atomic wallet. To do this, we go over to the right-hand side and we click on the withdraw button. Remember, this withdraws it from this account and puts it into another account. So I will click withdraw. All right, so now it brings us to this page where we can see we have selected Ethereum. We see how much we have in our account, and we see this box here for the recipient's ETH address. So for this, we need to go to our Atomic wallet and get the public keys from our Atomic wallet to paste in here. So I'm going to go to my Atomic wallet now. In here, I'm going to select Ethereum by clicking on it right here. I'm going to click Receive in order to receive Ethereum into my Atomic wallet. And then it will give me my public keys. So I can copy these to my clipboard just by clicking on this and just double check the last 4 digits, 164F. Cool. So now I'm going to go back to my Binance account in my browser, and I'm going to paste that into this box. So now it's pasted in there. Great. So 164F, we did it right. After this, we want to select the network that we're sending our Ethereum on. So in this case, we're sending it from an Ethereum address to an Ethereum address. So we're going to want to use the Ethereum network. Make sure you do this. Make sure you select the right network, because if you pick the wrong network, you could actually lose your funds. So if you're sending Ethereum from Binance to Atomic wallet, you're doing it over an Ethereum network. So make sure to select this one. After that, we want to select how much Ethereum we want to send from here to Atomic wallet. So for this example, I'm just going to click max, and then I will click submit. So it's going to pop up with this screen. And this screen is here simply to make sure that people can't log into your account and steal your funds without you knowing. So I have a few different methods of two-factor authentication every time I do a transfer out of Binance. I have it via my email, my cell phone, and my Google two-factor authentication. So make sure you have your phone close by, where you can then open up your app as well as receive the text message if you're still doing that for your two-factor authentication. So I'm going to go through this process now. All right, now that I've filled that all out, I've clicked submit, and it brings me to this page saying withdrawal request submitted. So we're going to have to wait a little bit of time because this is the Ethereum network. And depending on the congestion in the network, it can take some time. So it might take a few minutes, or it might take 20 minutes, depending on how many people are currently using the network. So be patient, and it should come through to your Atomic wallet if you followed our instructions. Right on, guys. So now you know how to take your Bitcoin and turn it into altcoins on Binance. Awesome! Not only that, you now know how to take it off of Binance and put it into your Atomic wallet. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.